This hospital, because cardiologist backup is there, gastroenterologist backup is there, neurosurgical and anesthesia, round the clock anesthesia care is there with ventilator backup. We have almost 15 ventilator and almost 40 bedded ICCU. This ICCU is catering to the maximum number of people who are suffering from acute illnesses like poisoning, snake bite and paralysis, like any kind of illness like septicemic shock. Any high risk patients we are accepting, particularly from Warangal area, Janagam, Aleru, these areas. Not only this, all Telangana areas like at Nalgonda, Karimnagar, all these areas they are coming to this place. We are also taking a lot of cases who are referred from other higher end centers seeing our services. We have done so many high risk patients which were rejected in other higher end centers. So within a short span of 1.5 years, we have done more than 1500 angiogram. That itself speaks volumes of the talent, efficiency, hard work of the institute. So I also I wanted to introduce my hospital to the general population to use this facility, and this is a very cost effective therapy. And here also, suppose really patient is not affordable, of course now all patients are covered with lower end people, particularly below poverty line people are covered with Arogyasri scheme, and we are also providing a lot of Arogyasri cases. In addition to that, this hospital is also recognized by central government health services, state government health services. So various insurance companies also approved our hospital. Now this hospital in this area is having a spiral CT scan and endoscopy facilities. If you see in this area, large population is not lacking facility for CT scan and endoscopy facility, color Doppler facility like a heart scanning and Doppler facility and cath lab. Cath lab, we have a digital system, and I can promise and I can assure you very well, any patient even in the midnight coming with a massive attack, and within 10 minutes patient will be on the table for any emergency intervention like a emergency angioplasty and stenting. Particularly we don't reject cases when the massive attack with the low pressures, particularly when the patient is having a below 60 blood pressure, when the rate is low like a less than 40, and like that a complete heart block, when the patient is suffering from a severe breathlessness, that is because of the collection of the water in the lungs as a result of massive attack, where these group of patients carries very high risk. Suppose if you don't treat them early, the 90% mortality will be there. So in these patients, even in the midnight like at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, no need to hesitate, immediately we are doing all the interventions. That way we saved many lives in this area, and this institute has developed reputation for managing many emergencies. That's the reason, though we are not doing a lot of advertisements, it's like a mouth to mouth campaign. Many people they worshipped, and at the same time they are approaching saying that this is our hospital, and if high risk is there, we can go there, we can rely on this system. So that is the biggest advantage of our system, and at the same time our staff is also committed and hardworking and sincere, polite, and sometimes any minor hurdles are there, anybody can approach us, and any inconvenience in the service also, any management is most welcome to accept any complaints, and all these issues will be sorted out. And regarding cardiology, in the cardiology I can say very clearly, this is on par with any best of the best institute. In centers where they are providing cardiology service, like we do emergency angioplasty, particularly in cardiogenic shock where there is a high risk group, and like a carotid angioplasty stenting for paralysis, and when renal blood pressure, renal blood vessels are narrowed resulting in high blood pressure or impending renal failure, we do renal stenting. And diabetic foot like a gangrene of the foot or pregangrenous foot, or non-healing ulcers, or persons who are suffering from peripheral vascular disease, we do lot of peripheral angioplasties. And apart from this routine, we also do lot of like a valvular intervention like balloon valvotomies, like a congenital valvular interventions like a pulmonary valve stenosis, PDA closures. All these procedures will be carried out and with excellent success rate. And at the same time we also do lot of pacing, particularly when the patient is having a complete heart block, and we also do beating heart surgery and on pump, off pump, both surgeries will be done. And we also do lot of surgeries, particularly in a young female, like a cosmetic to minimize the scar. We also do mini thoracotomy surgeries. These are all very important. Apart from this, we do lot of plastic surgeries, neurosurgery, any kind of surgery we accept, and we request you to utilize this facility. Thank you.